that what? Boco? Okay. Jackson Cipher. Oh, Scotty's ready to fall right into you. Don't fall down, Jack. Don't go. You don't need to go all the way up. Just he'll fall right into Scotty's net. Oh yeah, it's a hatchery fish. He's right there. Don't get cute. Don't get cute, Scotty. Just get him. Let go. Don't you fucking fuck this up. Got him? God, you got me all nervous like I had to get out. Woo!
Pretty good sized fish.
Pretty
Solid 8 pounds.
You want my fillet knife? You fucking stud! Adipose is the one just above the tail. Is it? Got some color?
Well, I don't think it has any. Everybody has eggs in it.
No eggs, huh? You want me to get my blade? Jackson Cipher, nice fish. You did it.
Rode into it.
You stud. No, it's you, man. It's your lucky fishing hat, right?
It is.
It's the lucky fishing hat. There we go. She's a beaut, Clark.